Academic report writing. Academic report writing is also a form of report writing, and it is mainly used by the students. There are differences between the academic and business reports. We saw business reports in our previous session. Business and technical report writing are usually meant for the business, while academic report writing is meant for the student to complete his course and more to do with the institutions. A business report is written on an issue/project pertaining to the working of the organization, while academic reports could be any problem statement which can be given to the student or given by the industry in order to for the academic purpose. It does not serve a business purpose mostly. A business report is normally submitted to a committee where decisions are taken based on the report, while an academic report is mostly submitted to the evaluation team in the college or external examiners, and it is meant for academic purpose. A business report is written during the course of the business, while the academic report is prepared at the end of a student's stay in college in order to and make him for a proper understanding of all the concepts that he has learned over the few years that he has spent there. A business report may be informational in nature, not necessarily based on live research, while a summer project report normally it's a finding, it's almost like a research topic as far as the student is concerned. Business reports are more practical in nature as they are utilized by the management for business purposes, while an academic report is more compulsive in nature. He has to do with the report for the sake of academics. Not everyone in the organization will be asked to prepare a business report, but all students will have to submit an academic report at the end of their course. A good business report earns a very good name for the person who has created it, and especially if it is utilized to get some business objectives met, then it has a lot of credibility. While in the academic report is more meant for the student to get a better grade. Both summer projects and business technical reports have a standard format, and hence it's good to understand what is the format that is used for academic reports. What are the guidelines for writing a summer project report? This is the requirement for almost all academic courses today to get a better understanding of how the student analyzes or understands the problem. It has an objective, topic of the summer/academic project report. A particular topic is assigned. It could be an industry related topic, or it could be a topic given by the institution itself, and a project report guide. Project proposal, the synopsis. The summer project proposal should be prepared in the manner given below for the best results. Cover page of summer project proposal, table of contents, what are the contents that are part of this report, introduction, the research problem, what is the problem that I am researching on, the research design, how am I going about as far as the research is concerned, time frame, they are time bound since students don't have all the time in the world to do something, limitations, they have to work within the college premise, they may not find time to go out too much and do a lot of survey work, references, what were their references to arrive at whatever their research reports are concerned. What are the norms for the summer project? First of all, let's understand why is the summer project given to the student. It is to basically understand his capability of understanding a problem, how does he research the problem, and come out with a solution within the time limits and limitations that he has. Hence, the summer project report should therefore contain a section on the research procedures employed by the student, the extent, nature, reliability and suitability of evidence gathered. In that limited time, how does a student get evidence and support for the research that he is doing? The conclusions drawn, that is equally important, and the recommendations made to demonstrate skills in analysis and interpretation of research results. That is the most crucial part as far as the student is concerned. How capable is he in understanding the problem, using various evidences and researches to get information, and his ability to analyze the same and come out with solutions. Components of the project report. Thus, the report should have a cover, a title page, certificate of approval by the person who is evaluating the project, approval of organization and faculty guides who are again part of the evaluation panel, abstract, that would be nothing but a summary of the project, acknowledgements, thanking people who have been part and parcel of the team which has helped in getting the data and so on as far as the project is concerned, table of contents, list of figures, list of tables used, list of appendices which are part of the project, abbreviations. The first chapter and the main part flow of the report is the introduction of the problem statement or the project statement or whatever it might be. What is the research design used in order to arrive at the results? Results and conclusions. What were the results and what were the conclusions by the student? And the last chapter will have the recommendations and suggestions by the student for that particular research problem, and what were his references used in order to arrive at these conclusions. Thank you.